When people know that something is scarce, they are more likely to want it. Now, how can you use this scarcity strategy to close sales? Alright, you use this strategy to create a sense of urgency around your product or your service. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Grow with Joseph. If this is your first time coming across this channel, I want to beg you to subscribe and turn on that notification bell. On this channel, we offer tips on how you can grow as an affiliate marketer and of course, general talks on how to generate passive income online. If you are a returning subscriber, make sure you comment, make sure you like, and don't forget to share this video because someone that needs it might be on your contact list. So as seen on today's title, we will be talking about sales closing strategies. The real sales closing strategies that can help you close sales at ease. It can help you close sales without stress and without wasting much time. You know, as an affiliate marketer or a business person, it is not just about getting customers, getting potential buyers, or generating leads. The question is, can you convert these leads to sales? If then you can convert these leads to sales, how fast can you do that? And with how much energy, time, and money? So sales closing strategies are very essential to your growth, not just as an affiliate marketer, but as a business person in general. In this video, I've come out with 3 sales closing strategies to help you close sales with little stress, little time, and of course, little energy. So the first sales closing strategy we will be talking about here today is the discount strategy. Discount. Now, you will agree with me that everyone likes discounts. No matter how much someone has in his or her bank account, he is always willing to get a product at a discount. So discount is a very good way to motivate potential customers to purchase your product. Now, when I talk about discount, I do not mean eating into your capital or your profit. That is not what I mean. I'm not saying you should slash your profit or slash your price because you want to motivate someone to take action. No, I actually mean you doing something to make someone feel like he is actually cheating you, alright, or you're being cheated, not knowing that you're actually getting your same amount of profit, same amount of capital, but in another way. Alright, so now I want to tell you how this discount strategy works, giving out discounts. Okay, so let's say you work for Amazon and you're promoting an ebook on Amazon. This ebook actually costs 30,000 naira and it offers you a commission percentage of 50%. So it means for every sale you make, you get 15,000 naira of this 30,000 naira. Now, if someone wants to buy this product, after educating this person about this ebook, now do not introduce this sale, do not tell the person this product cost 30,000 naira. If you do that, then you won't be able to use this discount sales closing strategy. If you use it, that means you actually be eating into your profit because you now need to slash your profit in order to make this person make a purchase. But now look at it this way. What if you tell this person this ebook actually cost 50,000 naira, but he will be getting a discount of 20k? Sounds good, right? So you actually increase the price, then give them a discount at the increased amount. Alright, so if this ebook cost 30k, instead of you telling your customers the ebook cost 30k, you should tell them that this ebook cost 50k, but the first 30 people or the first 50 people get a discount of 20k. This way, you've used the discount strategy to boost interest. And this will help not only make potential customers buy from you, but it will make them buy from you with ease. Alright. The second sales strategy we will be talking about in this video is the scarcity strategy. Scarcity is a powerful psychological trigger that can motivate people to take action. When people know that something is scarce, they are more likely to want it. Now, how can you use this scarcity strategy to close sales? Alright, you use this strategy to create a sense of urgency around your product or your service. Now, after a marketing campaign, instead of you opening your product or your service to everybody, you could give a limited time or a limited quantity. Instead of you saying feel free to buy at any time, it is better you say only 5 spots left, or this product is only available for 3 days. This way, it will create a sense of urgency, and people would likely, rush over your product, because they know after the time given, they won't get access to that product or service. The third sales closing strategy we'll be talking about is bonuses, giving bonuses. When we talk about bonuses, we actually mean adding something extra to your product or your services. Bonuses are a great way to add value to your product to make it more appealing to potential customers or buyers. Now, we want to make sure that we don't add things which are irrelevant to our product. So if you are selling, let's say you are a real estate agent, you cannot be selling lands and you are offering, let's say, maybe books as a bonus. This is irrelevant. But if you are offering another land as a bonus, this will help boost the interest of potential customers. So example, you say buy one land and get one free land or one land extra. This extra land is complementing the original land the person is to buy. All right, so this has actually boosted interest. So this particular strategy also applies to affiliate marketing. All right, now we don't just want to give anything as a bonus. Okay, we want to actually add value. We want to make our customers, our buyers, we want to give them reasons why they should buy from us by giving them bonuses, by adding something extra to what they're actually getting. But now we don't just want to add any other thing. We don't just want to add any type of extra something. We want to add something which is relevant, something which is similar to what we are selling, something that will complement what we are actually selling. So for example, if you are selling a course that falls under the money making niche, you could add 10 free ebooks on personal development that has actually complemented your product. So bonuses are a great way to add value and give customers reasons why they should buy from you. So you can use these 3 strategies to close sales very easily in whatever business you are into. It doesn't matter if you're a physical business owner or a digital marketer. Whatever business you're doing, be it offline or online, these 3 strategies, that is bonuses, scarcity, and discount, are great ways to help close sales at ease. Thank you guys for watching. I remain your humble host, Sergio, the guy that cares about your success. Do not go without subscribing, do not go without commenting, and do not go without sharing. Thank you.